Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to recover missing portable devices through Device Manager in Windows. It is not appearing in Device Manager, or it's not being recognized. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get that set up. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and as the title suggests, we're going to open up Device Manager. Now you want to go left click on whatever the top selection is and then select action. So again, you have to make sure you click on whatever your computer name is, which it looks kind of weird here, but you want to make sure you click on this and then select action and then select add legacy hardware, select next, select install the hardware I manually select from a list and then select next. You want to scroll down here and you want to select portable devices and then select next. So let's just say we're going to select the standard MTP device and then select MTP USB device and then select next and then select next again. Okay, so once that's done, select finish. And now if we refresh this by doing action and then scan for hardware changes, we got portable devices here. We're going to go right click on our portable device, select update driver, verse my computer for drivers, and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the default one here and then next. So there you go guys, simple as that. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.